The Japanese art of putting gold in cracks is called kintsugi. Kintsugi, which translates to golden joinery or golden repair, is a practice deeply rooted in the concept of embracing flaws and imperfections. This art form involves repairing broken pottery by mending the areas of breakage with lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. The process of kintsugi is not just about fixing what is broken, but also highlighting the mended areas as part of the object's history and beauty. Kintsugi dates back to the late 15th century, when the Japanese shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa sent a damaged Chinese tea bowl back to China for repairs. When it was returned with metal staples, Yoshimasa was dissatisfied with the unattractive repair and sought a more aesthetically pleasing solution. This led to the development of kintsugi, where the broken pieces are joined with lacquer and dusted with precious metals, making the cracks and repairs part of the object's beauty. Kintsugi celebrates imperfections and the journey an object has been through, embracing its history rather than disguising it. The philosophy behind kintsugi also extends to life, teaching people to embrace their flaws and scars as part of their history and beauty. Kintsugi is deeply rooted in the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and transience. Rather than disguising the damage, kintsugi highlights the breaks and repairs as a meaningful part of the object's history, embracing its flaws and imperfections. Cultural significance. Kintsugi reflects a broader cultural attitude in Japan that values the process of healing and the story of an object's life. It's not just a method of repair, but a symbol of resilience and transformation, celebrating the journey and the scars that are part of that journey. This philosophy teaches us that our breaks and repairs are not something to hide but to display with pride, as they tell the unique story of our resilience. Embracing imperfections and recognizing the beauty in healing, kintsugi reminds us that our scars can become sources of strength and transformation. Through the art of kintsugi, we learn to appreciate the beauty that emerges from embracing our imperfections and celebrating our journey of healing. Technique: preparation. Gently, a special lacquer derived from the sap of the lacquer tree is applied to rejoin the pieces, invoking a centuries-old tradition. Powdering the wet lacquer with shimmering gold or silver dust, each piece begins to sparkle with a newfound radiance. After allowing the lacquer to dry and harden, skilled hands meticulously polish the mended object, revealing a flawless, glossy surface that tells a story of resilience and beauty. Kintsugi imparts a profound lesson. Embracing imperfections and scars can lead to extraordinary transformation, where healing becomes an integral part of the narrative, creating a masterpiece from brokenness. Through the art of kintsugi, brokenness is not a flaw, but a celebration of resilience, a testament to the strength found in embracing imperfections, making each piece a unique reflection of history and growth. The philosophy of kintsugi teaches us that just like mended pottery, embracing our imperfections and healing our wounds can lead to a renewed sense of value and beauty in our lives.